Good morning, sir. My name is Goh Min Kang, and my number matric is A20A1349. Today, I would like to present about management individual assessment with topic study case of T-Life Company. So, the first question is about what do you understand by the term management and explain the four management functions implemented in T-Life. So, I think the term of management is the process of effectively using available resources to achieve expected goals and let them complete their work effectively and efficiently. Therefore, a good management will also reduce the company's operating costs and maximize the company's revenue. Okay, the next question is explain the four management functions implemented in T-Life. In my opinion, the four management functions are planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. First, for planning, it means that setting goals or ends and how the people can hit or achieve the goals of their set. For Brian Lu, founder of T-Life, his goal is to be a great and wanted entrepreneur in Malaysia. So he founded T-Life to let his dream to be true. For example, the goal he set to let the T-Life to be famous in the world and let the tea become a drink for youth. It is in order to let the business grow up and let the brand T-Life lead the field of F&B to all the world. Yes, organizing. Organizing means arrange and manage a task, people, and other resources to accomplish the work. So, and this dash, T-Life have hired more talented people from Malaysia and from other countries to manage and improve the quality of the company. Therefore, in order to improve the level of service and the quality of employee, Brian Lu provide his employee with skill trainings for up to 7 days, and every employee has their position. The service personnel working on the front line must meet the needs of customer and provide a good attitude to the customer and give them the best service experience. On the other hand, the management team must work hard and to think of countermeasures to increase the company's sales and division level to expand the company's business. Not only that, leading is also important in all the business. Leading is motivate, direct, and otherwise influence people to work hard and to achieve the organization's goals. To make T-Life famous, the management also active cooperates with people all over the world to open the branch of T-Life all over the world. So, for Brian Lu, he has motivated staff, we reward them. For example, they provide attendance awards, monthly sales award, and various conditional benefit to enhance their seriousness and patience for work. Brian Lu also will communicate the employee and always share his idea and plan with team to lead and guide his team to a right and great way. This is also made Brian Lu success and open many outlets with franchise store in Malaysia and Vietnam. Last but not least, controlling is mean that monitor performance, compare it with goals, and take corrective action as needed. For example, when the annual sales volume set by them fails, so Brian Lu and his team will begin to plan how to increase sales and how to make T-Life chain store open throughout Malaysia. So, they will do promotional activities and develop more favorite drinks to satisfy the desire and needs of each customer. to increase the recognition of T-life rank and such. Okay, for the second question is identify the top management at low holding salary per head and explain 10 roles of the top level managers execute. First, for Brian Lu, he is the Chief Executive Officer CEO at low holding salary per head. For Brian Lu, no idea is too crazy. So, Brian Lu is always looking outside the box, and this also will make him create many ideas and innovate in business. Alright, next is explain the 10 roles of the top level managers. For the role of managers in an organization, Henry Mintzberg was published in 1973 in the book The Essence of Management Work. In this book, have a detail about 10 roles in 3 aspects in the management process that are informational category, interpersonal category, and decisional category. For the interpersonal category, there are 3 management roles in this category. They are involved providing information and ideas. That is figurehead, leader, and liaison. A figurehead must have emotional, ceremonial, and legal duty. It is predicted that you will be a source of inspiration. This role is also a symbolic leader and needs to fulfill legal and social obligations. For leader, it is a role of responsible mobilizing and motivating subordinates. This role also can provide leadership for the team, department, or the entire organization. The manager can manage the performance and responsibilities of everyone in the team. As a leader, you must understand the situation of employees and must find a way to motivate and encourage them. In this way, the company's performance and employee efficiency can be improved. The last role for the interpersonal category is liaison. The manager must establish and maintain good diplomatic relations on behalf of the company. In this way, the understanding and support of all external parties can be obtained. For example, in the event of a crisis, money or help can be obtained. On the other hand, the 3 roles in the informational category are monitor, disseminator, and spokesperson. These managerial roles involve processing information. As a monitor, the manager gathers all internal and external information that is relevant to the organization. It is necessary to pay attention and collect any internal and external information about the company in order to be able to truly understand the company's environment and conditions. The manager also needs to be responsible for arranging, analyzing, and evaluating all the information so that the manager can easily find the problem and deal with the problem in a short time. For disseminator, the manager will share the collected external and internal information with his subordinates and also will discuss the useful information with subordinates. So, the manager also will hold an informational exchange meeting, obtain some special intelligence, and share some important information. Next, for the spokesperson, this role is responsibility to publicize the company's strategy, plan, goals, and results. So, they will hold board meetings and announce information to the media and promoted by the media to the world. The spokesperson must have good language skill and especially in English. For the decisional roles, entrepreneur is a very important role. This is because an entrepreneur can influence what is happening in the company. He will have a promote reforms and play an active role in choosing the exact job. The manager also will see opportunities in the organization and the environment and formulate reform plans in order to enable the company to continue to progress and advance. Second is disruptions handles. In this position, will provide immediate solution to emergency and operational failures. When an organization or team conflicts, the manager must handle it personally. Thus, the disruptions handler plays an important role to solve any problem and provide a solution of clear. Next, the resource allocator. Manager must to properly use and allocate organizational resources, includes allocating funds and allocating personnel and other organizational resources. The manager also approves all important decisions that require the use of company resources. Through good control and authorization, the organizations also that all activities can be executed smoothly within the organization. Last but not least, Henry Ridgewell holds the negotiation position in the decision-making category because it is a real-time resource transaction. Managers with strong speaking skill and adaptability can create great profits and gains for their organizations by negotiating with partner companies. This is because the manager will put the benefit of their own company first. Okay, the last question is about why innovation is important to CEO Brian Lu's job, and describe how technology changed the way managers work today. Okay, for Brian Lu, innovation is important to all the business in the world in order to make sure that the company will not be replaced by other companies and competitors. With the development of the times, innovation has become very important and it has also become an integral part of business. Innovation also will let a company grow and make a company increase their business profit and sales volume. Thus, innovation is very important for push him and make his business profitable. Yes, Brian Lu also agreed that only continuous innovation can retain existing consumers and attract more new customers. This is because the competition in the market is very high, and there are also many multi shops from foreign countries operating in Malaysia. For example, Gongcha, Red Bull, and KOL. Thus, Brian Lu and his team are make innovation in the business. For example, now Tea Life has more than 17 beverages. That means Tea Life now not only have milk tea only, also got fruit tea, coffee, and cocoa too. Their innovation has also met the needs of many customers. They are also innovating some new products just like Spicy Me Moba and My Bubble Tea Kit, Initial Mocha. This new product is certified all taste buds for all customers and also attracts more and new customers to buy it. Another new innovation product is strawless reusable bubble tea cup. This innovation will make all the will start to emit and finally form a hair effect. Everyone's environmental awareness will also start to be strengthened. This also will reduce the cost of T-Life. In addition, T-Life also cooperate with other companies to launch mobile phone case with T-Life logo. This shows that T-Life company is no longer single, but diversified. Okay, the next question. Describe how technology changed the way managers work today. First, I think the technology is very great to help a manager's job become more mobility. If the manager is sick or cannot work in the company, so he can finish his job at home or at any place. Manager only need to have a laptop and Wi-Fi to send the work to the senior management and related departments. Telecommuting not only allows managers to complete the work at hand any location but also maintains productivity. Therefore, a manager also can give the tasks and work to their subordinates online. For example, they can give the task with the apps of email, Microsoft Teams, and so on. In this way, subordinates can be given work in the first time. On the other hand, human resource managers also can post detailed and job information and content online to hire new employees. For example, they can use the apps of Facebook, LinkedIn, Jobs Manager, and Hire Now to hire new employees. Recruiting online is more efficient and cost-effective than newspaper recruitment. Now, the new technology, AI, is a technology that can predict future demand. AI can provide users with new technologies that suggest. For the top of the company, this unique ability has the potential to increase employee productivity. For example, undertaking management tasks, providing better price recommendations to sellers, and simplify the procurement process. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you, sir.